What is welding? A welding career is for men and women who take pride in their work. Whether it's for profession or hobby, welding provides individuals with valuable and needed skills for an industry that will always be in demand. The world always needs welders, so knowing how to weld can open the opportunities to professional success by working in areas such as construction, oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, CNC robotic welding, and also start your own business by fabricating trailers, ornamental gates, and much more. To pursue a career in welding, you don't need a college degree, but it is highly recommended to take a basic welding course to learn the proper techniques and knowledge of welding, soldering, and different types of metals. By completing a course, you'll feel comfortable enough to jumpstart your welding career. Adult and continuing education welding courses provide the knowledge and skills of stick, MIG, and TIG welding. Students learn proper safety and gear, different types of welding machines, the basics of stick welding, including how to strike an arc, and proper welding techniques for different types of electrodes, proper use of portable grinders, hand files, and oxy-fuel cutting. TIG welding is also introduced with a focus on welding techniques that include vertical and horizontal welds. For more information, visit www.hcvsd.org.